Welcome to our channel. Google has dropped a new TTS model called VibeVoice, a frontier open source text to speech model. VibeVoice is a novel framework designed for generating expressive long form multi speaker conversational audio such as podcasts from text. It addresses significant challenges in the traditional text to speech systems, particularly in scalability, speaker consistency, and natural turn talking. A core innovation of VoiceVoice is its use of continuous speech tokenizer, acoustic, and semantic. These tokenizers efficiently preserve audio fidelity while significantly boosting computational efficiency for processing long sequences. This model is available in a 7 billion model. This model is available in 7 billion parameter and 1.5 billion. It supports the multiple speakers. So each speaker voice has got a different sound and the architecture is like this. Speaker 1 speaks this, then speaker 2 speaks the uh, second note, and similarly speaker n speaks the voice, and it is finally generating the voice over, and it is finally generating the voice. Sample is this. If I start it will start from speaker 1.
Did it again. I waited for 2 hours. 2 hours! Not a single call, not a text. Do you have any idea how embarrassing that was, just sitting there alone?
Look, I know, I'm sorry, alright? Work was a complete nightmare. My boss dropped a critical deadline on me at the last minute. I didn't even have a second to breathe, let alone check my phone.
A nightmare? That's the same excuse you used last time. I'm starting to think you just don't.
Generated voice is very impressive, and it can generate the podcast using multiple speakers. So these are the different sounds. It supports English and Chinese. To run it, you have to run it using the Docker. First, you can launch the NVIDIA container, then go inside the container and download the code, then pip install, and finally you can run it using this command, and then use and then open the browser, and you will see the interface like this. There you will paste your text input here, text script here, and then click on the generate. So let's try it. So random script is generated, and then click generate podcast. So I think on the online version there is some issue here, but if you run it locally, you will get nice voiceover. So this TTS is a very powerful TTS, and it supports English and Chinese. So this is more information about the VibeVoice on the Hugging Face, and this is the Microsoft page where it describes all the features of this TTS tool. Let's try this.
Hello and welcome to Planet in Peril. I'm your host, Alice. We're here today to discuss a really sobering new report that looks back at the last 10 years of climate change, from 2015 to 2025. It paints a picture not just of steady warming, but of a dangerous acceleration. And to help us unpack this, I'm joined by our expert panel.
Voiceover is really very impressive. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.